Welcome to our channel. Today we how to budget with YNAB, full guide step by step clearly. To begin budgeting with YNAB, first, sign up for an account on the YNAB website. Once you have created your account, download the YNAB app on your smartphone or tablet. Open the app and log in using your account credentials. Familiarize yourself with the dashboard, where you can view your financial overview. Start by linking your bank accounts to YNAB for easy transaction tracking. To add a new account manually, click on the Accounts tab and select Add Account. Enter the account name, select the account type, and input your current balance. Next, set up your budget categories by navigating to the Budget section. Think about your monthly expenses and create categories such as rent, utilities, groceries, and savings. Once your categories are set, assign amounts to each based on your income and spending habits. Now, input your income by clicking on Add Income in the Budget section. Make sure to allocate every dollar of your income to one of your categories. As you make purchases, log each transaction in YNAB by clicking Add Transaction. Be sure to assign each transaction to the appropriate budget category for accurate tracking. Regularly review your spending to ensure you are staying within your budget limits. If you overspend in a category, YNAB will prompt you to adjust your budget accordingly. Use the Goals feature to set savings targets for specific categories. Periodically check the Reports section to analyze your spending patterns and make necessary adjustments. Stay consistent with updating your transactions daily for the best results. As you become more comfortable with YNAB, explore advanced features such as scheduled transactions and the Age of Money report. Continue to refine your budget each month to better reflect your changing financial situation. Stay engaged with the YNAB community for additional tips and support as you master your budgeting skills. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.